Hello guys, welcome back to channel Engine Speaks. Today we are at Triumph. We are at site Triumph in Srinagar. अगर आप पुणे से हो और आप Triumph की बाइक देख रहे हो, please visit site Triumph. Today we are here to cover the new colors of Speed T4 2025 model. So the first color that we have is the red and white graphic color. Pricing for this bike is ex-showroom 2 lakh rupees ex-showroom and going all the way 2 lakhs 45,000 on road in Pune. सो अगर आप एक रॉनन टॉप मॉडल या फिर हंटर या फिर मैवरिक देख रहे हो सो यू कैन कंसिडर दिस बाइक एज वेल बिकॉज दिस बाइक लुक्स better, fit and finish is better, and even the power is better compared to all those three bikes. Maintenance also is decent enough for this bike. So the first color combination is maroon and white. As I told you, fit and finish is nice. Look at the paint job done. Yeah, you miss a lot of features on this bike, but that is fine because of the price range of this right now at 2 lakh ex-showroom, the bike makes sense. पहला bike का price 2 lakh 30 था, 2 lakh 20 था ex-showroom, that was not at all worth. But अभी ये जो price slash किया हुआ है, उसके बाद the bike is making a lot of sense. The tires that the bike is using is MRF Zapper in this. Tubeless tires ही है, 190 है, with same है tire का, but ये अभी Zapper use डाले है इसके अंदर compared to Speed 400, Speed T4 badging. The exhaust is silver. So there are 4 colors and we have 3 right now on display. This is the black and grey if you go to see. Nice Triumph logo here. And it's metallic grey with light grey used. So you get this external guard as well. ये standard नहीं आता है. Purchase the accessories. तो अगर आपको ये चाहिए भी अवेलेबल है Triumph के पास. नाउ मैं फिट एंड फिनिश की बात कर रहा था तो आप देखो विच बाइक इन 400 सेगमेंट मेक्स सच गुड फिटमेंट. मतलब इसका फिट एंड फिनिश इज़ कम्प्लीटली टॉप नॉच. नो किधर भी आपको कुछ गैप्स दिखेंगे नहीं, किधर भी इवन द स्मॉल स्क्रूज नट्स यूज्ड आर सो प्रीमियम. आपको फील होता है कि आप एक प्रीमियम बाइक ओन कर रहे हो एंड ट्रायम्फ मेक्स यू फील दैट. ये सब कॉकपिट है. The same console used, console change नहीं किया, half analog and half digital, which is nice. बहुत digital becomes boring. This is nice. Proper retro feel है इसके अंदर. So you have the speed, you have the RPM, you have the gear indicator, trip A, trip B, time, and fuel. Your 400 की badging, Speed T4. Cushioning of the seat is nice. This is also a new color, which is the metallic blue with white. Very classy, very nice, very retro color. That's the bike look. So there's a combination of 3 colors. एक blue है, white, little grey, and there's all that black also on the panel there. So if you ask me, I like this color the most because this looks proper retro compared to the other 2 colors. आप लोग बताओ which color you guys like. Do you like the blue with white, or the grey and black, or do you like this red and white? Even this is a nice color. The bike produces around 30 bhp, which is decent enough for city rides. हाईवे पे भी ठीक है. अगर आप पिलियन के साथ तो आपको फील होगा वो पावर डाउन वाला. तो फिर आपको अगर हाईवे राइड्स करने पिलियन के साथ गो फॉर द स्पीड 400. If not, you want only do city rides, then Speed T4 is a good deal. Would you consider this bike or would you look for something else? Till then guys, ride safe, drive safe. Thank you for watching the video.